Alright guys, hey, we're going to do a review of this La Croix. This is basically their grapefruit flavored. I've tried the bubbly grapefruit. It's not my favorite. It has a weird aftertaste if you let it sit in room temperature, but I'm curious of how this one would taste. So it's carbonated water, natural essence, there's no minerals whatsoever, so let's do a quick taste test. Okay, see if it's the same with bubbly. Okay, so this one, the aroma is more subtle, but it has more of a citrusy taste to it. Yeah, so it's not bad. I'm just gonna let it sit for a bit, and then I'll report back if it's gonna be a weird taste at room temperature. I'll be back. Alright, so I waited a bit. I don't taste a weird bitter note at the end, so yeah, definitely check it out. If you have questions, let me know.